Hello? Hello? ODM. Wasudokama. First, I want to invite Honorable George Aladwa to just introduce the county chairpersons of ODM. And thereafter, I will invite my colleague, Honorable Dr. John Ariko, and then we proceed. Honorable Aladwa, please come and proceed quickly.
Asante sana Oma Boye. Ora Boye. Asante sana. Nimekuja hapa kwa niaba ya machairman wetu wa ODM. Wako hapa machairman wote. County 47 msimame. Mahali muko machairman. Nataka muwave pali muko watu waone. Just wave tafadhali muwave. Asante machairman wote wa 47 counties wako hapa. Tumekuja kwa niaba yao na muunga mkono Mheshimiwa Gladys Wanga kama mwenyekiti wetu mpya wa chama cha ODM. Vile vile niko na chairperson women leader wetu Catherine Honorable kutoka Nairobi, Mheshimiwa Emma Tok majority leader kutoka Nairobi. ODM oye! ODM oye! Mimi mwenyewe naitwa Mheshimiwa Aladwa nikiwa chair of chairs katika chama cha ODM. Asanteni.
Asante. Sasa secondly, Dr. John Ariko. Dr. Ariko, please come quickly. Adwana nyisu kama. Hello? Hello? Jomoye nigi njo ODM tingna urubadu. Aya, we are introduced. Dr. Aya, Koroling. Ne koro linguru. Aya, tosha. Okwabidi nyime kokuling. Hatutaendelea until you keep quiet.
Hello. Let us give Babu aongee.
Vijana tibim, wazee tialala, warembo wamama majenzi tiagas. Asanteni sana, jokanya na muntie. Kawuono wa mor kabisa, kaka wabiro kae enyadhi mar ODM. Ere jomomor gi wachno kabisa. Kuom chairman dwa mar ODM miluongo ni Gladys Wanga. I have no doubt this is a lady with three most important qualities. Number one, Gladys Wanga has the intellect to work for ODM. Gladys Wanga has the political acumen to work for ODM. Gladys Wanga has the energy and the passion to work for ODM. Therefore, Gladys Wanga has been tested and proven to be a leader who can deliver ODM to State House in 2027. Jokanyanam tibim, majenzi tiagas. Mara Rio, I want to ask the Almighty God to give Baba Raila Odinga the wisdom to lead Africans, the courage to lead Africans, the strength to lead Africans, and lastly a great health to lead Africans. Therefore we wish Baba Raila Odinga all the best as he goes to AU. Na baba kishaenda. Lastly, nataka niambie serikali ya kwamba wale majenziz ambao waliuliwa wote, serikali walisema watawacompensate. We want them to be compensated. Asanteni sana.
Haya.
Babu ose woyo koro waleng. Babu ose wuoyo koro waleng. Aya waleng uru.
Aya.
Okil endelea.
Koro miya uru itu. Nikech jakom chiegni chopo, to wadwani wariemb gini. I'll speak in English. As you know, we are here on the homecoming of Her Excellency Gladys Wanga as the national chairperson of the ODM. The national vice chairpersons are two. First, let me allow Dr. John Ariko, mbunge wa Turkana South, who has come all the way and is the national vice chairperson to greet you.
ODM, tuko tayari. I'm Dr. Ariko John Namoit, National Vice Chair for ODM and Member of Parliament for Turkana South. We are here to celebrate our chairperson, our ODM chairperson. So I want to thank God for Gladys Wanga being given the governor of ODM. Baba, I want to appreciate Baba for one thing. Baba has empowered women in this country. He has empowered Beatrice at school as the CS for ASA and East African community. And again, he has empowered Gladys Wanga to be the chairperson of ODM. I want to say on behalf of Turkana community that we want to appreciate Baba and let Baba be Baba and Baba for life. Thank you.
Thank you.
The other vice chairperson is Senator Mwaruma.
Asante. Homa Bay hoye. Tumekuja leo ili kumpongeza na kusherekea chairman wetu mpya Mheshimiwa Gladys Nyasuna Wanga. Ya pili, ningependa kumshukuru kinara wetu wa ODM Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga kwa kuamini kwamba wanawake wanaweza. La tatu, ningemtakia kila laheri Baba Raila Odinga anapowania kiti chake cha wenyekiti wa AUC. La mwisho kabisa, Gladys Wanga, nyota yako inang'aa mama. Asanteni, Mungu awabariki.
Sakororat, jodalawa, adu ko microphone in Emily. Nikech MPs ok nyal chung for this long. We are watch mananyinga. Watch kosawe. An miluonga no Tiende Amolo. Mjumbe mararieda. To an a national vice chairperson. Matiende ni wanga tiyoka. To an watie boy. Ber kozok ber. Arakore we waduoke.
ODM. My name's Honorable Christine Lemaine. I'm the vice chair of the party and I'm one proud mother today to say nimepata mama mwenzangu na ninajua mahali mama hakuna kitu itaharibika. I am one person who is really happy to have a partner today as a chair. I am the vice chair of the party na nimetoka Narok. Narok mumesalimiwa na tuko ndani ya ODM. Hatujatoka hata kidogo. Nashukuru. Thank you. Aya. Jothurwa untie. Akwayonia. Dongwadwa ni mondo wawinj wabunge mobiro kate. Jio nyaka North Eastern. Jio nyaka Mombasa. Joma nigi vuvuzela. Wegie uru matin. Joma bechia. Uchia mana ningwek tuweyo. Koro yena uru monda mi Honorable Masara. Moa Migori kaita duoge Homa Bay County. Mbunge ka mbunge minute achiel nikech wadwani ka baba donjo to baba direct baba ngo.
Haya ODM. An gi wach achiel kende. Kawuono olos historia Kenya ka moloyo to wan kako ganda maronagi ni ng'ama miyo obedo jakom mar party maduong' to moloyo ni weche mag devolution. The first governor maji nenogo hope e devolution en Wanga Nyawangaya. Joma Bay warituru Wanga nikech waneno kode mbele. Nyasaye mondo gwedhu.
Erokamano. Excuse me, let me give Oma Bay, please. Let me follow. Tafadhali.
ODM. Gladys Wanga en nyar Wangaya. Wangaya nie Moroni constituency. Gimoro madongo nyaka bed gi tiende. Wane mwagure mochopo kama chope no. Ebi wami ugo. Ka okurite maber. To beda beda jakom. To waduoke Wangaya e Moroni. Erokamano.
Aya.
ODM. Maongondo were. MP Makasipula Santi. Trend niyo hiyo.
Chunga. Excuse me. Hello. Adwani monda mi women rep Maoma Bay County Bensuda.
Erokamano. Vijana ria. Vijana tibim. Wamama kode. Wamama tialala. Adwa kaudie chieng maka wono. Mondagone Baba, His Excellency, Right Honorable Raila Odinga, Moye Mondo Nyawangaya, Odiso, Obede kom gisienda nareo. Adwa wecho ne Joma Bay County, mina nyalo kom kosok nyal. Odiso dhiriembo ODM, wan bange, minete, oelo tiende kanyo, Bensuda be wacho niya, wariurete, wachome ODM.
Ivo Bara.
ODM.
Honorable Ivo Bara.
ODM. ODM fire. ODM fire. Wagone Baba erokamano. Gipati marwa mar ODM. Momiyo governor marwa kawuono. Walemone kaka chairman mar national mar ODM. Marario. Wakwayo ne Nyasaye mondo telne Baba. Dwe marario. Mondo bed AU chairman. Kawan bange kaka jo Kenya. ODM.
Hello. Let me give a chance to Honorable Dr. Christine Ombaka. Honorable Dr. Christine, you return the mic to me, please.
ODM. Enodio Cheng, we congratulate Mama Gladys Wanga. Mama Mailuongo ni Simba Nyiri, the Lioness of Judah. What trustegi party? Keda geno nubedu chuke party motegno. Kikuthok party ubed loyal. Keda walemoni Baba. You'd come AU. Erokamano.
The tallest man. Aluong nu the tallest man. Erokamano.
ODM. Ma dipo kuome MP Makara Chuonyo. I wish the best of luck to Nyawangaya. I wish the best of luck to our party leader, Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga. And I wish well to the party at large. Thank you.
Hello? Because we have many members of parliament. Tafadhali, because Baba is about to land. Can I please just acknowledge you? Let me just acknowledge you. Nikiwaita unakuja mbele, cha inagni huo baadaye. Nikiita jina unakuja mbele. Honorable Aduma.